don't care. At kung may mangyari man kay Alex and Marie, it doesn't matter. Kasi kilala niyo naman ako, di ba? Kapag tinapon ko na, I don't recycle.
Eh, so bakit ka nga nagkakaganyan? Hmm?
What was your question again?
Oh, hindi mo ba sasagutin yun?
Nope. Alam niyo naman si Mama. Tatawag lang yan kapag kailangan niya ng pera. Tapos makakalimutan niya na.
You mean, hindi ta rin na tinatanong kung saan ka nakatira and may dalaw man lang?
No?
It's so sad.
I need shots. More shots. I need more shots.
Kung talagang may dugong Pinoy ka, eh di dapat matuto kang makisama. Kaya yan, tugayin mo.
Eh, Koy, ano ka ba? Don't mind him. He's just drunk. You can just leave na.
No, I'm not leaving. It's very disrespectful to ignore a very hospitable gesture. 말은 ako makisama.
Dapat kumain.
So, ikaw nga to.
Gusto mo, bigyan mo lemon. Baka gusto tequila eh.
Tagay!
Ay!
Tagay! Tagay!
Tagay! Tagay!
Wow.
Ginawa mo yun? Oo, syempre, no? Wow! 2 beses.
This is really good, but I can make this jinuman better. Do you have pineapple juice?
Creeping pineapple juice daw.
Naman. Neng! Neng! Pera mo ko. Ay, okay. Bayaran ko mamaya, Here. Grapes and pineapple.
Okay, thank you.
Pika-pika na naman. Ay. Hayaan mo naman na. Minsan lang akong makakita ng Koreanong nagtatagalog na nagtitimpla ng gin sa kanto. Naman na, pa-experience naman sa glit. Many.
Wow.
Yan.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Sorry. More. More.
Are you sure?
More.
It's finished. This drink is called hagwe. Inspired by a Korean word that means destruction.
Guys, can you stop questioning me whenever I ask for more? Because, like, cheers. Yeah, cheers. Everybody. Cheers.
This is so strong, and it may destroy you.
There you go. Now we can have fun. Let's go.
Ang tapang.
Ay, ang sarap! Sarap! Sarap!
You know, I like you, bro. My heart belongs to someone else.
Lasing ka na, Gina.
My heart belongs to him.
Yes. Migoy,
Hi, bro.
is our chicken. Is our manok. Yun. So,
My friend. Okay. If this is your specialty, okay, fine. You win. So, to be fair, I have to challenge you to my specialty.
Oh, what's yours?
Dancing.
Ay.
Let's go! Now you. Your turn.
Okay, at this one, I accept defeat.
Yes!
Uy, baka ka daw?
Eh, talo siya. Panalo tayo, uy. Ang galing.
Come here. You have to leave while you're not yet drunk.
Wait, I'm still having fun.
Marami ka nang nainom. Magmamaneho ka pa. Pag may nangyari sa'yo, ako pa masisisi.
Yung mga idol kita doon sa ginawa.
Ako.
Sorry guys, I have to go. But next time, I will invite all of you to my bar.
Oh.
Drinks on me.
Okay. Yes! You know.
Oo, okay. Enough,
Yun!
enough. Are you sure you're okay to drive? I can book your ride.
Hindi ako nalalasing. I own a bar. Remember?
Right. Take this, at least. I'm sure you'll be hungry later.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Pinis ako dun.
Ano na naman yun? Bakit mo naman... Natakot tuloy.
Ayaw ako eh.
Kukunori pa kayo. O, tirahin nyo na to.
Ayaw ako eh.
Pinawisan ka, ano?
Oo. Pero okay na.
Ano lang yun?
Kaya lang kami dun eh.
Ako pa eh,
Baka
naku.
kasi mga ano kami, gutom din naman. Gutom kami.
Kumain ka na. Sayaw ka ng sayaw.
Hindi naman malakas eh.
Sige nga, subukan mo nga yan. Hindi mo tinry eh.
Wala.
Eh,
Tatry ko na.
Sususite.
Sarap yan.
Wala naman.
Fairness.
Wala namang tatalo. Ay, hindi. May trabaho ba ako bukas? Meron.
Mayroon yan dun.
Someone had too many tequilas. So, ano? Oh, sir. Tapos yun na. So,